Now that we're fully in, I mean, there's a lot of great capabilities with your guys' system. I mean, we love using it. I love that we can really notate in every job as to exactly what's going on versus when you just had like paper and emails. You know, it's nice to have that tracking capability from job to job to job. And anybody and everybody in the office could just pick up a phone and help a customer just based off of looking on a job and seeing all of our notes on it, who we spoke with, when something was scheduled, what the technician did on site, reference pictures and documents and signatures. I mean, you guys really have it pretty much all there for us. It's been really great to be able to have the capabilities of the technicians and the assets and marking everything as compliant or non-compliant. And it makes it easy for our quoting team to be able to even look at stuff the same day and be able to send a quote to the customer that same day. Because the sooner that you can get those quotes out to the customers, the more fresh it's in their head, the more likely they're going to accept that proposal to repair their deficiencies. Where if you're so behind and then it's like takes 3 months, I mean, at that point you're like, when were you out here?
Yeah.
What were you here for?
Yeah.
So it's been really great to be able to have that. And also when we create those quotes, to have all of that pricing already fixed in there, and it makes our invoicing process even easier and faster as well. And to have all that information easily transfer over for our technicians out in the field is really nice too. People who are always waiting for the right time is never gonna happen. Sometimes you just gotta do it to know whether it's right or not. The worst that's gonna happen is it doesn't work out, and you go find someplace else. But sometimes change is good, and it's for the better. And Uptick has been phenomenal for us in our changes, our merges, our rebrandment, and having that all-in-one capability, invoicing, quoting, scheduling, having map features, clock in and clock out, sales reports. I mean, you guys really have it all that no other company has offered. I would say it is the most fire protection based system I have seen out there.